It's been a while since I last saw your face, that elegant smile and your unspoken grace. You didn't owe me a thing. 6,000 miles between maybe and when. We knew how it ends, but we played it again. No one else would compare.